So I'm actually getting a secret tattoo today for my dad. He and I flat track raced for 5, 6 years. He raced his whole life. My grandfather raced and my great grandfather raced. So I'm actually kind of known in Albuquerque at the Sandia Speedway. I have four championship titles for flat track racing, and my dad's got 2 championship titles. And it's just been a family love for racing and riding motorcycles. So it's going to be a portrait of my dad in the middle of a race. So he's actually doing some super motocross, and with supermoto it's usually dirt and pavement. And so we captured this one shot that's just beautiful with him coming right through a turn, and it's one of my favorite positions in racing is right when we're getting out of that turn. We've just broken our back tire loose and we're just getting ready to connect and get that speed back. And it's just that moment of power in that spot. So I thought that was like the perfect moment to tattoo.